This video introduces a pipeline for generating PDF slide decks in Notebook LM, converting them to PowerPoint slides using Canva, converting them from slides to videos using Google Slides, to finally being able to edit a video including voiceover and music track in Google Vids, all from a simple voice recording. Sometimes the hardest part of a presentation is getting the content from your thoughts to the screen. This process begins with an audio input. Just record your content on the voice recording app on your phone or computer. First, the audio is recorded. It does not have to be perfect. The goal is to get the content out of your mind into a digital format that AI can work with. This recorded audio serves as the basis for the rest of the pipeline. The text is then uploaded to Notebook LM and processed to extract key information and concepts. You can use the chat feature in Notebook LM to help you sort through all the recorded audio transcript to get the exact information you want to use. This helps in determining the visual content for the slide deck. Create a prompt to tell AI what you want to see in the slide deck. Basically, the AI is your personal graphic artist who takes your content and ideas and puts it in a tangible form. The digital slide deck is output as a PDF file, so you will download it to your machine for the next step. Next, you will use the free canva.com PDF to PowerPoint online converter to extract the images from the PDF file to a PowerPoint file. Once the conversion is done, you will export the new file as a PowerPoint file that will be opened in Google Slides. These slides are not editable at this time. You can, however, reposition the slides in a different order, remove slides, or add slides like Q&A pages or contact information pages. Once your slides are ordered as you want them, you are ready to go to the next step, which converts the PowerPoint slides from use as a presentation to a video format for sharing on YouTube or online classes. In Google Slides, you will find the menu item that allows you to convert your slides to Google Vids. You will be prompted to select what slides you want to convert and whether or not you want to include the narrative and soundtrack. In Google Vids, the AI-generated audio is synchronized with the slides. While the slides are static images, you do have the ability to upload other images, MP4 videos, and additional sound effects to include in your video. The best part is that you actually control the voiceover track. You can use transcript-based editing to modify for voiceover track. You can add or delete from the narration for each slide, and then have AI regenerate that portion of the voiceover and insert it in the scene. The result is a final video automatically generated from your editing, so the audio matches your intent for the slides. You are now ready to download your file and then upload it to your YouTube channel to share with the world. And there you have it. The four-step process to go from getting the content out of your thoughts via audio recording to uploading it to Notebook LM, allowing AI to do the rest of the job. It will synthesize the information and generate a PDF slide deck for you. Then convert to PowerPoint with Canva, modify your slides in Google Slides, export the presentation to Google Vids, and finally edit the video to your taste. I hope you have enjoyed this video and possibly learned something. Add a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.